Shahid, सबसे पहला सवाल मैं आपसे पूछना चाहूँगा, what was your first reaction the moment now Bhorashpur happened to you and they asked you to be on board as Veer Singh?
The honest reaction. So I was shooting for something else, and my schedule was a little hectic at that time. And I said, it doesn't look like it that I'll be able to part of this show. But later on, my TV show went off air, and I had some free time in between. That's how I managed to do the show.
It means you're saying your honest reaction, you're not okay with it on the very first time.
No, I like the concept. I like the idea of doing a show which is set in the 18th century, because it's quite challenging to achieve that kind of, in detail and how you want to present it on screen. It can look tacky as well, so it's quite challenging. So I was quite excited about it, but because of my schedule and my prior commitments, it looked like I won't be able to, shoot for it. But eventually we worked out, things worked out, and I was able to do the show.
What is the director brief about the Veer Singh you're doing?
So the character brief, what we are trying to tell the audience through Veer is that at that time also there were a few men who would use their power and their aggression to bring equality in the society, to make sure that everyone is treated equally, women get their rights. They were fighting for that in that era as well. Not everyone was trying to suppress women. So that's what I think I felt was quite inspiring about Veer, and that's why I wanted to play this character.
It means you are playing a very positive character in the film, a mentor who's fighting on behalf of the woman.
So what happens is, not exactly that. What happens is his the love of his life is taken away from him by a king. And in that kingdom, women are being ill-treated. And he does not want that to happen to anyone else. What happened to him, he did not want anyone else to go through it. So that's why he's fighting for that cause. Yes, if you say that, if you ask me if it's a positive character, yes. Till now, what I know, it is. But you never know what happens in the future.
जो भी अब तक बाहर आया है ना, if I'll talk about the teaser, trailer, बहुत ज़्यादा bold है, बहुत hard hitting है, और कहीं undercurrent talks about women empowerment.
Yes.
और जैसे मैंने कहा कि बहुत bold है, इस बात को लेके कुछ hesitate थे आप?
See, I think till the time the message is right, and you need to show a few things. I think that's where web comes in, that platform where you can talk about things the way you want to, right? As far as my part is concerned, mera jo character hai, what briefs I got, that being an actor, I have my limitations, what all I can and what all I can't do. So they took all that in consideration and said, this is how your character is going to be. And they of course will never, and they didn't even suggest anything like that my character is going to go through like something like that. So I think to tell a story, you have to bring up few points, which are there. Of course, it is there in the promo as well.
What is the best compliment you're getting till date, though it is already out?
About the teaser? See, I'm there for like few seconds towards the end, but I think people, because I have played few characters in the past, like mythological, historical characters, they like to see me in that look, and what I bring to the table. Like, I always feel that you need to be convinced that you are the character. And then only you can make people connect with the character. Even if it's a fraction of a second, people should be able to see that in your eyes, what you're talking about. And they should believe every word you say. And I think somewhere that, Veer has been able to strike that chord with the audience this time as well. So they're giving positive feedback till now.
Is it an intentional effort to do Veer Singh in the web series to break what you have done in the past?
Sorry?
Is it an intentional effort to break the to do Veer Singh in Purashpur to break the image what you've done?
See, I don't really plan things. That's not my way. I would not, calculate it and do it in a way that I get this kind of response. No, if something comes my way, it's exciting enough, it's challenging enough, it's something new, something I have not. As an actor, you always want to do something new. If I have played, say for example, Anant in a show, I would not want to play the same character again. Simply because of the reason it will bore me, it will not excite me. So Veer was something different, and that's what excited me about it.
Your working experience with Anu Kapoor, are you there?
I didn't get the opportunity to share screen space with him because it's a very brief character. My character, it's only like few scenes are there in this particular season, but I think he's a phenomenal actor. He's one of the best our industry has. So I feel honored that I am a part of this show which has such big star cast. So I feel honored. Yeah.
What else is happening? What else is there in the pipeline apart from this?
Apart from this, so honestly, apart from few music videos, I have not really signed up anything. What I would want to do right now is concentrate more on giving time to myself. Yeah, at least few months before I sign something. And I have not people decide that this is what I'm going to do in next 6 months. That's not me. As I said, I don't plan things. So it can be anything, whatever comes my way. There are a few TV projects, some films we are talking about, but nothing finalized till now.
Given a choice, where will you go? You go for the bigger screen, films or those TV shows?
Given a choice, see, it's a difficult question to answer, but I would want to do something that excites me. To be politically correct, I would say that.
Either films or other TV?
Yes, but it has to excite me. Like, I was narrated a show a few days back for a GC TV channel, and I really got kicked about it because the character is so interesting and the message they're giving out there is that it was so right for this present time that I felt like I should be a part of it. So it only depends on how excited I get after hearing the story, after hearing the narration.
Shadi Mubarak.
Thank you so much.
It happened to get gold and globe. हो गया. If you can throw some light on that, कैसे हो गया?
I'll say that, this lockdown made all of us realize different things. What it made me realize is that, first of all, how we are ill-treating our environment and how it can react in a way that we will suffer and how we should treat it better. The other thing was that we can't plan anything for future. I can't say next year I'll do this and 1 year after that I'll do this. You can't plan because everything is so unpredictable. So that's when I thought that, whatever I have to do it now. So let's do it.
Is there a possibility to be throwing a big party for all the people post, everything get normalized?
Yes, that's the plan actually. Because of the COVID situation also, we couldn't invite anyone and we couldn't do a proper function. So most probably what we have planned, because my sister is also abroad and almost a lot of relatives are settled abroad, people have to come from other countries. We have planned it for June next year in Jammu. So hopefully we'll be able to host everyone over there in Jammu and take people, my friends from Bombay to Jammu and celebrate it there. A lot of my friends are looking forward to go to Jammu because they have never been there or they want to see that side of India. Yeah, explore.
Thank you so much, Shadi.
Thank you.